Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you as you all know. So my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
What do you want us to do now? What do you want us to do? Everything I've done. Everything I've done.
I go village this night, I beg. I know if day I don't die, I beg.
One or two days comes over here. One or two days comes over here. Now we don't tire. We don't tire. Any kind of we don't tire for Igbo. Igbo. Nothing like to youth for session in Lagos State. We are tired of you people.
Yeah, for now, tell us your name and what really happened. If you speak PG, if you speak English, anyone do okay. Tell us what you know about the fire.
My name is Ahmed Boswi. There are different accounts to the cause of the fire.
Okay.
Some said it's from generator. Some said it's not generator. There's a sabotage. And the argument is, if it is from generator, the generators they will have all got bombs. Okay. They just want to take them. And the whole market in less than 40 minutes went down. You see a fire at this extreme. The next thing you see another one at the other extreme. All happening at the same time. So as it starts now, people are confused. We can't go onto any account. Then we will get to that. We will surely find out what happens.
About how many shops do you have in this particular market?
We have about 150. We have about 150 picklers. And each of the picklers contain about 6 people.
Okay.
That's about 6 people.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
No one has less than 6 people. Some have 8. So when we are talking about the number of people here, it's not less than 1,000. And instead, we make provision to fight any kind of normal fire. I'm not trying to say anything. I will be sure before I open my mouth and accuse anybody of anything. But the people who were here is an extraordinary fire.
If you are told to estimate the losses here, like how much would you call it?
We are losing about $1 billion. Why do I think we are exaggerating? I have the data of everybody here. I have the numbers of machines that are here. Somebody just bought a machine of 1.7 million and 2 last month. There's a printing press that is here. If I tell you the amount, you will be shocked. And we are talking about 40,000 people. Look at the whole.
Tell us more about the materials they sell here, some of the things you guys do here.
Here, personally, there is no place that does not know here. You go to West Africa, you go to Africa. People prepare their market say as if it was. So when it comes to material, in fact, the entire neighborhood picks their clothes from here and share in their boutiques because nobody's going to talk to them. No share would allow you to buy what you want to sell. So we make them here. We make them here. So when we talk about materials, there's no type of materials that is involved in the market here. This is where they pick them. It is here that is feeding Tejuosho.
Clothing materials.
It is here that feeds Tejuosho. Here is called kitchen. We don't cook. The name kitchen came because formerly, in early 2000, here was a swamp where people stay and cook food they sell in the then Tejuosho. Okay. Now that name seems to overtake the place. And here is known as Goshen Market. So we don't do any cooking here, we don't use gas. But I was here when I was here, there are explosions at one end, at the other end. We have stories that this kind of thing will happen. And we try our best. This is what we have.
All right, thank you so much, sir. Sir, do you have a shop here? Do you have a shop here? Okay, good. So tell me, what really happened to your own shop? What do you sell in your shop and what really happened in there?
This thing happened in the way that we don't understand.
I'll just stay here.
I've not even some people, some material brought out, some was not brought out. But by the grace of God, I was not preparing those children things for I was preparing for my children, not for my own side, because I don't have more years to spare. Are you communicating with me?
Yes.
Because anytime I can die. Anytime I can die. So nothing you cannot do. You have to do something for your children.
So if you're told to estimate what you've lost so far, how much would you call it?
If I can estimate, it's more than 20 million naira.
It's alright. So sorry for your loss.
And which I said
Alright, thank you.
Well, we have
Yes, I'm going back inside. So this is the situation over here. The people are angry, the people are crying. You want me to show your face? You get shot for here? So talk to me. Tell me what happened to your own shop.
Something nobody can even explain. You just find the fire burning. And this is everything.
What did they say for your own shop?
That will not be food. They sell food. Barista.
Okay.
And I shop Christian. As I always come back from work, you come and say, fire don't be burn. The fire don't even take up to 1 hour to burn everything like this. I shop Christian.
So sorry for your loss.
Thank you.
Auntie, was your own shop affected? Do you have a shop here?
Yes.
Was it affected?
Yes.
What and what do you sell? What and what? Clothing materials. Did you pick out anything? So far so good. Have they told you what caused the fire?
This one guy that called the fire. Come and call for inside the generator. Then at the time that he's going to the inside the generator, he still is the food.
Okay.
Yes. You know only the jail that is there. I know that there's no like that kind. Yeah, and I still is the
So sorry for your loss then. So tell me your name and tell me what you know about the fire.
My name is Burndown.
Okay.
I think most of this fire. I understand that generator negligence. I feel about the fire. It's whatever. They haven't like that. I think they're to the fire. Yesterday, the fact that what is this? When the generator about the new one, what is about the total? Is the fire went into the wires on the roof of the plaza. So all the wires are just scattered in the cover from the roof of this plaza. So based on that, that was able to escalate within 10 minutes everywhere. Nobody could salvage anything.
Yes, people just be running.
As if it was just a shot down your roof, or just a small generator, they couldn't arrest the situation where so the fire escalated beyond their control. Because what they have is material. Based on that, the fire was out of control. When the fire started escape, what damage has been done? It also affected part of my...
Which one is your house? From Lagos, Kitchen Market, Tejuosho, where fire catch yesterday. Up till now, authorities never confirmed the exact waiting caused the fire, but over 100 shops, and it affected over 1,000 sellers and material dealers around. If you have the woman, I prefer a woman. That is the talking point around this area, as people don't know waiting next to do. This lady is almost crying because her shop they affected. She don't give us her own version of waiting happen, and so many other people don't give us their own versions. But the chairman of the market, they talk say, he don't know waiting exactly caused the fire.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.